Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hi, today we are making crepes. My name is Silas, if you didn't know. We have a special guest today.
Hello!
Daphne from France.
Yes! Hello, Silas! How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah? So today we're gonna make crepes. French crepes?
Crepes.
Yes.
The ingredients are flour, milk, 5 eggs, olive oil, some vanilla extract.
A little bit of salt.
Oh, yeah. Salt. And the secret ingredient, which is beer.
To use with caution.
Don't drink it. So, what's the first step?
So the first step is we're gonna take flour. So you're gonna take the flour. You can do it. Yes. Good. We're gonna split 250 grams. No, not the whole pack. 250 grams here. And 250 grams here. Here we're good. And here, 250 of flour.
Oh.
Yes.
Like the other one?
Yes. 0 is on. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Put a little bit too much. Perfect. It's good. So 250, 500. What are you doing? No! Not yet. So the first bowl, we have 250. And in this one, Silas, you're gonna add 5 eggs.
Oh.
Good.
Oh, I think it
Perfetto. Look at this. We're gonna whisk it. Not whiskey. Yes, more like this. Like this. Let me show you. You take this. Tac. And you go. Tac. You see?
looks like scrambled eggs.
Look. You have to do it more faster. Yes. Yes.
Ow, my arm's hurting. Now looks like cake batter.
You see?
Well, not really, but...
It requires strength. If you need to do a little bit of muscles, you know, it's perfect. Okay. Now we're gonna take 1 liter of milk. So 4 times this one.
Okay, now that we got 1 liter of milk right here. Okay, so what's the next step?
So the next step is we're going to gradually add milk and flour. Yeah, you can also use an electric mixer, but if you won't have muscles, you can do this. So the paste has to be smooth. You want it liquid, but not too liquid. The paste has to be super light because you want to add a ton of Nutella in after. I'm gonna add 3 big spoons of olive oil. So you're gonna mix it 1, 2, and 3. And then we're gonna take a little bit of vanilla extract. Up, up, and like this. So we're good. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. We're good. And then we're gonna finish with beer. And we're gonna take just the half of the bottle. So there, tick, 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 tick. I think I put a little bit too much, but I think it's 150 milliliters. So I add it gradually. Pour.
So why are we putting beer?
It helps the paste to be more fluffy.
Oh. Can't we just add packets of carbon dioxide? Liquid carbon dioxide?
It's better beer, but that's French tip. Beer.
Oh.
Yes. And then the final step is a little bit of salt, just a little pinch. There, here. And we're good. It's done.
Now we're gonna put this dry cloth on top of the crepe batter and let it sit here for 1 hour. Okay, so we let this crepe batter rest for about 1 hour. It smells good.
And now we're gonna cook the crepes. So next step what you need to use is butter. Just get a little bit of butter up like this. We're gonna put, I wash my hands first. And then we're gonna heat the pan. Okay, so now medium heat. And now the fun part is we're gonna
Cook it.
yes, cook the crepes. So you take a little bit, not too much. Take this one. You put it like this. Okay, so when you cook your crepes, the most important thing is you look at the edge of your crepe. When it's a little bit like browny red, it means that it's starting to cook and you can flip it. You see, you took the little corners like this. It's making a little, you see? So you do a little bit like this. Up. Okay, so I think it's good. Yalla! Woohoo! Look, this one is beautiful, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about this one? Now be prepared, it's your turn. We're gonna make all the crepes. So, I'm putting a little bit of butter. Wait. Here. So you wait a little bit, and then this one you're gonna flip it. You think you can do it?
Probably.
Up. Okay, so you take this and flip. You flip it. Okay. Can I flip it? Okay, do it. Chuk. There. Strong. Yes! Fly! Yes! You see? Yeah, so this kind of paste is usually for sugary crepes. But you can use it for salty crepes too, like if you want to put like ham, cheese in it, you put it in the oven, you put a little bit of mozzarella on top, it's super good. But usually for salty crepes, we call it crêpe bretonne in French. So it's like another type of paste, and it's like brown crepes, and you use like a special type of flour, so it's not the same. But you can use this paste too for like salty crepes. It's really good too.
So here's the French crepes.
So for the sweet crepes, you can use Nutella, you can use jam. What else can you use?
Strawberries, blueberries, berries.
Yeah, whatever you want. It's good.
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah, they're good.
See? Thank you for watching.
Like
and
the video
please,
if you liked it.
yes,
Please
subscribe.
subscribe.
Yes.
If you like the dish you just made here,
Mm-hmm. And have
please
a good
leave a
day.
comment
Yeah.
in the comment section below.
Mm-hmm.
Say if you liked it or not.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Bye-bye.
Bye.